Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save your business from cyber threats with Cisco. Begin. Identify the potential cyber threats your business may face. Assess your current security infrastructure. Understand how Cisco's solutions can enhance your cybersecurity. Begin with Cisco's Umbrella for cloud security. Deploy Umbrella to protect your network and users from online threats. Configure your DNS settings to enable real-time threat intelligence. Next, implement Cisco AMP for endpoints. Install AMP on all endpoints to provide continuous monitoring. Utilize AMP's machine learning capabilities to detect and respond to threats swiftly. Integrate Cisco Firepower into your network. Set up Firepower to provide advanced threat protection and visibility. Customize Firepower rules to align with your specific business needs. Explore Cisco Secure Access Service Edge, or SASE. Deploy SASE to ensure secure remote access for your employees. Monitor user activity and enforce security policies through SASE. Incorporate Cisco SecureX for unified visibility. Utilize SecureX to streamline your security processes and automate responses. Regularly conduct security awareness training for your staff. Educate employees on recognizing phishing attempts and social engineering. Continuously review and update your security protocols. Stay informed about the latest cybersecurity trends and threats. Schedule consistent assessments of your cybersecurity posture. Engage with Cisco's support and resources for ongoing assistance. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce your business's risk of cyber threats. Implementing Cisco solutions will help you create a robust security environment. Stay proactive in your cybersecurity efforts to protect your business effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.